Let us start simplification, class 12, question number 146. 146 is under root 10 plus 2 under root 21 equals to what? See, there are 4 types in such situations. If there must be a number, plus or minus maybe, again one number, again under root. This type of situation is always based upon a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. If there is a sign of plus, certainly the situation is based upon a plus b whole square. If there is a sign of minus, the situation will be based upon a minus b whole square. That means you must know the formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Since this is plus, a plus b whole square must be applicable there. If this will be a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab will be applicable there. That means we have to use this formula this time, this. Okay. That means make your mind like this. If there is a number, there is a sign of plus, there is a number within under root, certainly the situation is totally based upon a plus b whole square. Then you have to pick up the values of a and b respectively. See, since in the formula of a plus b whole square there is one term 2ab, that means if this situation is totally based upon exactly on a plus b whole square, certainly there will be one term 2ab. You must see 2 is here. That means 2 into a into b, 2 is here. That means a into b is this one. A into b is this one. That means this root 21 is root 7, root 3 like this. Root 21 may be written as root 21, root 1 like this. But see here, since this is 2, a and b has been multiplied here. That means under root 7, under root 3 after multiplication is under root 21. Now you guessed root 7 and root 3 may be the values of a and b. Okay. You have to match the complete situation here, whether root 7 is a, root 3 is b, totally satisfy or not. For that you have to write here. If this is a, this is b, a square will be like this, b square will be like this, plus 2ab like this, and the sign of under root. Now you have to match only. If this is a, this is b, a square plus b square plus 2ab must resemble that. That means this is 7, this is 3. Root 7 square is 7, root 3 square is 3, 7 plus 3 10 plus 2 root 21. That means 10 plus 2 root 21 can be written as root 7 whole square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 root 7 root 3. That means a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is a plus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square, again under root. That means this root will be cancelled by this 2. You are getting only root 7 plus root 3. You are getting only, see here, root 7 plus root 3. This is your answer for this question. Be noted. That means whenever you see such type of situations, that means there must be a number plus or minus, must be a number under root a number. Certainly the position is based upon a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Here you have to think once again. Once again. A and b can be reversed. That means I may suppose this is a, this is b. But in practical going, normally in the options, a is supposed the bigger of the two. It is not mandatory, okay? Be noted. There will be 4 types in such type of situations. Question will be just resembling like the same, but there must be a bit of difference there inside. That you will have to point out in the next question. 10 plus 2 root 21, that means this question is based upon a plus b whole square, and a plus b whole square has 2ab section. That means this is 2. That's why A and B has been merged here, multiplied here. That you pointed as root 7 and root 3. Now come to question number 147. Come to question number 147. See. 147 is under root 19 plus 8 under root 3. That means see here. Again the situation is just like that. Just like that. That means this situation is based upon a plus b whole square. That means we have to point out the value of 2ab. Somewhere 2ab must be there. Here it is 8 root 3. That means 2 is hidden there. 2 is hidden there. That to be pointed out. That means you write here 8 equals to 2 into 4. 8 equals to 2 into 4. That means if you pointed out 2, then after the multiplication of these two, here must be 19, and that is so. 4 square 16, root 3 square 3, after addition that is 19. That means this is your A, this is your B. Answer can be written as here 4 plus root 3. This is your final answer. You got the answer? But see here in detail, okay? See here. Since 2 pointed out as 2ab must be a section there. 2 pointed out. This is 4, this is root 3. This may be as A, this may be as B. May be. That means in next question, this may not be as well. This may be. How to recognize whether it is so or not? 4 square 16, root 3 square 3, after addition that is 19. Of course, this is A, this is B. That may be reversed. I have already told you, okay. That means I am writing A square plus B square plus 2ab under root. That means this can be written as this. 4 square plus root 3 square equals to 19 plus 8 root 3. Now you see here openly A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2ab. That means this is A plus B whole square again under root. That means your answer is 4 plus root 3. No need to write down from the next. Okay. To maintain your copy, you must write down this. Otherwise, you can answer this question just within seconds like this. Be noted. This is the explanation of question number 147. You got 146, you got 147, you are going to get 148, going to get 149. All these questions will be based upon the same type. Two types have been dealt. Now, come to question number 148. See, 148. This is 16 minus 8 root 3 under root equals to what? Again see here. The situation is based upon A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square has one term 2ab. 2ab. That means there must be 2 hidden. 2 is hidden there. That means 2 into 4 can be written in place of 8. Now think 4 square 16, root 3 square 3, after addition that happens 19, but here is only 16. That means this is not A, this is not B. If there is 19 only here, this is A, this is B perfectly. But since this is 16, you can't change 16 as 19. That's why you have to think here something more. See here. This is under root 16 minus. Since you got 2 from 8, this can't be A, this can't be B in this situation. Now what you have to do here? Listen to me. If this is not A, this is not B, that means these are not satisfying 16. In that case, what to do is 2, and this 4 must be inserted, must be sent. This 4 must be inserted in this box under root symbol. That means this must be inserted within the symbol of under root. If 4 goes within the symbol of under root, it is 4 square 16. That means you are writing here 16 into 3. Now this is 16 minus 2 under root 48. See here, if this is 16, under root of 16 is 4. Under root of 16 is 4. That means if 4 goes to the sign of under root, certainly that will be 16 there. Okay, that's why 4 square 16 into 3, this is 48. Now you are saying this is 2. Certainly you will have A and B here itself. That means you have to recognize, you have to point out, you have to find out two values for 48. After multiplication must be 48, and after squaring and addition the result must be 16. That may be like this. That means root 12 into root 4 equals to root 48, and this square is 12, this square is 4, after addition this is 16. That means you got the answer, but I am writing in detail again. See here, this is A square, this is B square, minus 2 into A into B. See here, now this is exactly same, this is exactly same as this. 12 square plus 4 square equals to 12 plus 4 16 minus 2ab, this is 2 root 48. That means this can be written as 2 into 2 here 2 8 root 3. That means you got the answer. This is root 12 minus root 4 whole square under root. Again see, this is root 12, this is root 4. 4 into 3, this is 2 root 3. And this is 2. You got the answer. This is your final answer. 2 may be taken as a common here. Let me see the option. This is the final answer. Okay. Be noted. Thus you got the third position of this type. That means here 2 was hidden. You pointed out, you separated 2 from 8, but this is not A, this is not B. Then this was sent to the under the symbol. Okay, under the symbol of square root. Now the next question is coming to you. That is also based upon the same situation. You have gone through 3 types of this situation, just 1 type remaining here. The remaining type is coming into question number 149. See, 149 is 4 minus root 7 under root by 8 plus 3 root 7 under root minus 2 root 2 equals to what? See, since the shape is just like that, this must be based upon a minus b whole square, as there is a number, there is a sign of minus, there is a number 1 is here, and under root something. This is based upon a minus b whole square, this is based upon a minus b whole square. But you must know, if any situation be based upon a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, there must be a part of 2ab. That means there must be 2. But see here, never is 2, never is 2. If 2 must be there and 2 is not there, certainly 2 will be carried out from outside. That means you will have to carry out 2 from outside. That means this must be multiplied by root 2, this must be multiplied by root 2. Then the situation will be like this. See here, your situation will be like this. You multiplied the numerator by root 2, the denominator by root 2 in order to adjust. That means if you multiply this term by root 2, root a into root b. See the formula, root a into root b happens under root a into b. That means if this is a, 4 minus root 7 is a, root a into root b. That means this must be root a into b. I am writing, see here, firstly put a symbol of under root, then 2 into 4 8 minus 2 into root 7 like this. See here, 2 root this one, root 2 into root this one, that means under root. See here, 2 into 8 16 plus 2 into 3 6, or I am writing just like this, Okay, minus this is 2 and 2 4. Now you see there is 2, there is 2. That means for this A will be root 7 and B will be 1. That means you may write root 7 minus root 1 whole square under root. Again, see here. This is 2AB, 3 square 9, this square 7, after addition 16 is there, okay? This can be written as 3 plus root 7 whole square minus 4 under root. See, under root up to only, okay? Now, you get here root 7 minus 1, root 7 minus 1, this will be cancelled. And here also 3 plus root 7 minus 4. That means you got root 7 minus 1 below root 7 minus 1, and after cancellation the final answer is 1 for this question. Be noted, you have to revise yourself. Firstly go through this solution, and then you have to make the same question same day, that means today itself, okay, without seeing the copy. Firstly you have to multiply the numerator by root 2, the denominator by root 2, in order to have 2 there, as a plus b, a minus b whole square always keeps there is a part 2ab. Now you have to pick up here a and b, you have to pick up here a and b. According to that you have to proceed. Thus you got the answer 1. Be noted. Now the next question will be 150, 150, just coming before you. You have to revise this question today itself, and without seeing the copy you have to solve the question, the same question by yourself only. See, now the question is 150. This is 28 plus 10 root 3 power 1 by 2, again minus 7 minus 4 root 3 power 1 minus 2 equals to what? Firstly you must know x minus 1 equals to 1 by x. Okay, see here, you have to solve this question. That means this is under root, see here, x power half equals to under root x. That means this is under root like this, 28 plus 10 root 3. Again this is negative power half, that means this is 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3 under root. Now certainly the same situation prevailing here as well. That means this is number plus number under root. That means this is totally based upon a plus b whole square. There must be a part of 2. That means this is 2 and this is 5. If 5 square is 25 and root 3 square is 3, after addition that is 28. That means this is a, this is b. Fill here 2 into 2. 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, after addition that is 7. That means you must write like this. This is 5 plus root 3 whole square under root. You can write only this, okay, but I am writing, see here, again this is 1 by, this is 2 minus root 3 whole square under root. Okay, now proceed. This is 5 plus root 3 minus this is 1 by 2 minus root 3. If this is 1 by 2 minus root 3, rationalization must be here 2 plus root 3. Okay, now see, this is 5 plus root 3 minus, this is 1 only, 2 square 4 minus root 3 square 3, that is 1. This is 2 plus root 3. Now after breaking the brackets, this is 5 plus root 3, this is minus root 2 minus 2 minus root 3. This will be cancelled and thus you got the answer 3. That means the answer for this question is only 3. This is also based upon the same pattern. Just we have solved 5 questions based upon the same pattern, but there is a bit of difference among all the questions. Okay, you have to learn, you have to grasp all the hidden situations. There will be 4 types only prevailing such type of questions. Having such type of questions, whenever you see, must think about a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Be noted. And such type of questions are especially important only for SSC and railways. Now coming to 151, 151. See, 151. Again, the question is based upon the same situation. Minus root 3 plus under root 3 plus 8 under root 7 plus 4 root 3 equals to what? See, you have to solve this situation at first. That means 7 plus 4 under root 3 under root equals to what? That means here is 2, here is 2, 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, after addition that is 7. That means this is only answer for this situation only 2 plus root 3. That means if you proceed here, this is minus root 3 plus under root 3 plus 8 and the result of this is 2 plus root 3. Now again the situation is minus root 3 plus, verbally do 3, 8 to the 16 plus 3 19 plus 8 root 3. Again see here, this question has been solved by you today itself. This situation, the same question has been solved by you today itself, in this class itself. Okay, that means see here, 19 plus 8 root 3 under root equals to what? You point out 2 here, this is 4 square 16, this is 3, after addition 19. That means for this situation answer will be 4 plus root 3. That must be noted on here. That means you got the situation under root minus 3. This is 4 plus root 3. Again see here, this will be cancelled due to the same magnitude, but sign is plus, sign is minus. That's why you got the final situation under root 4 and under root 4 is only 2. The answer for this question is 2. Be noted. This question has been asked in LDC main examination. In the written pattern examination were held sometimes. Still going on main pattern in LDC, that is subjective. You have to solve each and every step must be mentioned there. Each and every step gets some marks. Whether the answer finally is wrong, even after that you are getting some marks. If the copy is tested in descriptive methods. Okay. See, now the question is 152. Now the question is 152. See, 152 is again the same question. X equals to 7 plus 4 root 3 and demand is x plus 1 by x. See here. Since this is x, the shape is exactly the same. That means x equals to 2 plus root 3 whole square under root will be cancelled. That means you got x equals to 2 plus root 3. See here, x is this one, 1 by x will be this one. After rationalization, this will be like this. Whenever you need any rationalization, you took all the digits same, exactly the same, but sign must be reversed. Okay, that means this is plus, that's why you put here minus minus. Had it been minus here, you must put here plus plus. Okay, that means 1 by x is only 2 minus root 3. Now your situation is this one. Expression is x plus 1 by x. You got the value of x, that is 2 plus root 3, and this is 2 minus root 3. Now minus plus will be cancelled and you got answer 4. See, the answer must be 4 for this question. Of course, this is be noted. This type is only important for bank, for SSC and railways. Okay, this is not important for bank clerk. This is not important for PO. But in bank clerk, sometimes after some years may be asked. I think so. Now 153. 153 is 5 plus 2 root 6 under root minus 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6 under root equals to what? See here. Again, this is 2 a and b multiplied here. That means you have to point out root 3, root 2. After multiplication, this is root 6, and after squaring and adding, this is 5. Similarly, root 3, root 2 must be here as well. That means you got the situation. This is root 3 plus root 2 whole square under root. That means only this. And this is root 3 plus root 2. Rationalization needs here. The numbers will be same, but the sign will be reversed. That means you got here, this is root 3 plus root 2, and this is a plus b into a minus b square 3 minus 2, that is 1 below, and above root 3 minus root 2. But after breaking the brackets, this is only like this. That means this will be cancelled, and you got your answer 2 root 2. If a and b be reversed, answer may change there. Okay, may change there. It totally depends upon the given options. Okay, this is in your option. 2 root 2 is the right answer. Okay, be noted. 153 has been dealt now. Now I am coming to next question, that is 154. That is 154. Now the new pattern is coming before you. New pattern. See, 154 is if under root 961 equals to 31. That is the reality as well. Okay, if under root 961 is 31, certainly 31 square happens 961, then you have to answer this situation. That means under root 961 plus under root 0.0961 plus under root 0.000961 equals to what? In such type of situations, always decimal will be on even positions. Decimals will be on even positions. See here, 4 digits decimal there, 6 digits decimal there. That means if this is not so, answer will differ from this. That means 31 will be of no use there. Okay, that means see here, if you have to solve this, under root 961 is just equal to 31. That means this is just equal to 31 plus this is also 961 under root. That means answer is 31. But see here, this was without digit, without decimal. That's why answer was 31. But here is a decimal after 4 digits. That means after 4 digits, 4 is divided by 2, that is 2. That means your decimal will be after 2 digits in answer. That means 1, 2, here will be 1 decimal plus. Decimal is after 6 digits. 6 be divided by 2, since this is a square root. Since be divided by 2, you are getting 3. That means in your answer, decimal must be after 3 digits. That means your answer for 961 under root is this one. Decimal must be after 3 digits. Decimals are counted from right to left. That means 1, 2, 3 decimal. And you have to add all this. That means 31.341. This must be the answer of this question. Be noted. 31.341. बिल्कुल right situation. See here. See the details as well here. If this is like this, certainly this will be written as 961 by 1 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 under root. That means again this is 961 under root. This is under root like this. You must have the value of under root 961, that is 31, and you must get the value of under root 10,000, that means this is 100. Now you see here 100, that means decimal after 2 digits. This is the rough sketching, and you have to grasp all this so that you can solve such type of situations verbally without using pen. Okay, be noted this as well. Now the next question is 155. The next question is 155. 155. See, 155. If cube root of 1728 is 12, this is the reality. That means 1728 cube root is 12. It happens 12 cube equals to 1728. On the basis of this, you have to answer cube root of 1728 plus cube root of 1.728 plus cube root of 0.001728. See here. Since the question is based upon cube root, that means this situation is exactly the same. That means for this answer will be 12. For this answer will be 12. For this answer will be 12. But see, decimal is after 3 digits. Decimal is after 3 digits, and this is a question from cube root. That means 3 must be divided by 3. You get only 1. That means in your answer 12, decimal must be after 1 digit. That means after 1 digit, the answer for this is this much. Plus again 1728 cube root is 12, but see here, decimal is after 6 digits, and the question is from cube root. 6 be divided by 3, you get 2. That means decimal must be put after 2 digits. 1, 2, that means here must be a decimal. Now you have to add, this is 13.32. This must be the right answer for this question. Be seen in your answer given 13.32. Of course, the right answer. Be noted. Here you can also see the rough work. 1.728 cube root is 1728 by 1,000 and cube root like this. Again, this is 1728 cube root by cube root of 1000. Cube root of this from that 12, and cube root of this from yourself. This is 10. Your answer is 1.2. See here, answer for this situation is 1.2. This is the rough. Be noted. Now 156. 156. See, if x equals to 2 root 6 by root 3 plus root 2, you have to find out the value of x plus root 3, x minus root 3 plus x plus root 2 by x minus root 2 equals to what? See, this is totally a brand new question for you all. This question has been asked some years back in SSC CGL. Answer of this situation is always only 2. See here, the situation must be like 2 root 6 by factors of root 6, root 3, root 2 must be here. And the situation of expression must be like this, x plus root 3, x plus root 2. Answer generally happens 2. See here. That means without solving you can take risk for such type of situation. Answer will be 2. This will be solved just like x equals to 2, 6 is root 3 into root 2. This is root 3 plus root 2. Now, x upon root 3, see here, upon root 3 equals to 2 root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Again, x upon root 3, see here, x upon root 2 is 2 root 3 by root 3 plus root 2. Be noted. Now you have to put respective values here. That means x is this much, root 3 is this much, x is this much, root 2 is this much in the given expression. See here. Now x plus root 3, x is this one, root 3 is this one. That means x is 2 root 2 plus root 3 is root 3 plus root 2. Again the same situation, 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 is this one, due to minus, this is minus, okay. See, x plus root 2, that's why x is this one, root 2 is this one. X is this one plus root 2 is this one. Again, 2 root 3 minus root 3 minus root 2. See here, this is 3 root 2 plus root 3. This is root 2 minus root 3 plus this is 3 root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. See here. The main thing you should think here, see here. This is root 2 minus root 3 and this is root 3 minus root 2. I would like to resemble all the bases. That means this must be written as like this. That means if you write root 2 minus root 3 here, this sign will be changed. That means plus will be changed to minus. I am writing minus here now. This is root 2, this is root 3. Now it is very easier to have LCM. The bases are equal everywhere. That means that base will be your LCM. Now this is 3 root 2 plus root 3. This is 3 root 3 minus root 2. Now see, this is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 3 by root 2 minus root 3. If you take 2 as a common, this is root 2 minus root 3 in bracket. This is root 2 minus root 3 in bracket. Certainly this will be cancelled and you got the answer 2. Be noted. This is the complete explanation for such type of situations, okay, but no need to have such type of methods in examination hall. You have to think about the situation. If this is like this, x equals to this, and this pattern has been asked, certainly answer will be 2. Without solving you will be writing there 2, okay. Write down. No, 157. See, question 157. 1 by root 1 plus root 2, 1 by root 2 plus root 3, 1 by root 3 plus root 4 plus dotted lines 1 by root 99 plus root 100 equals to what? In such type of situations, you can answer through methods within seconds. See here, that means 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 regularly at the gapping of 1 only all the numbers have been written from minimum to maximum, whatever may be minimum, whatever may be maximum. No need it is compulsory that must be only 1, that must be 100 or something like that. Any numbers can be had at the gapping of only 1, starting from anywhere and ending at anywhere. Okay. That means in such a situation, your answer will be only the biggest minus the smallest. This is 10, this is 1. You got your answer, that is 9. Firstly, note down this. This is your tricky approach in such type of situations. If all the numbers are regularly, successively 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 like this, answer will be just the last one, the biggest one, that is under root 100 minus under root the minimum, that means under root 1. This is your answer. See here, if you write 1 by root 2 plus root 1 and rationalize this root 2 minus root 1, root 2 minus root 1, this is root 2 minus root 1, this is only root 2 minus root 1. That means, see the rough. 1 by root 2 plus root 1 is like this, That means this is root 2 minus root 1. This is root 3 minus root 2. This is, tell me, this is root 4 minus root 3 plus dotted lines plus this is root 100 minus root 99. See here. This will be cancelled due to plus minus, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. This will be remaining and this will be remaining only. This is minus 1, this is 10, thus you got answer 9. See here. Only the least value will be remaining with negative sign and the biggest value will be remaining with the biggest sign, with the positive sign. And nothing else will be remaining. All the terms rest of the minimum, rest of the maximum will be eliminated due to the same magnitude having plus and minus. See here, this is plus 2 root 2, this is minus root 2 will be cancelled. This is plus root 3, this is minus root 3 will be cancelled. See here, only this will be remaining and this will be remaining, as this has not been repeated. This has not been repeated. All the terms in between has been repeated here. All the terms have been repeated. 2 has been repeated. 3 has been repeated. 4 has been repeated. 5 has been repeated. All the terms except the minimum and the maximum have been repeated there. That's why all the terms except minimum and maximum will be cancelled. Minimum and maximum will be remaining with you with a sign you have to recognize. Minimum value will be with sign negative and maximum value will be with sign positive. That means you can reach such type of questions very easily through this way. This is the right explanation. You have to take all the time the help of this situation only, not going through this way. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the last question of today's class. We will be meeting in the next class. Thank you.